I was on a run today and I came across this guy who doesn't seem to be in very good shape. It's okay, my dude. I'll put you somewhere nice. We'll go get you out of the way. I got him in a nice little corner. He seems to be waking up a little bit. I'm gonna go get him some water. Sometimes you gotta. Alright, so here's the treatment plan. Got some water, put it in him, and some rest. What do you say, Ferdinand? Think that should be good? Alright, new plan. Find something he can sort of drink out of because this is tedious. I'll be right back, buddy boy. Are you getting this? This pack, where's my finger? This pack is chasing away this pack. Watch, they'll chase them off. They'll start honking at them. All right, this, pull up, can't focus. 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 Why is this? Oh, okay, there we go. So, better. Not incredible, but, hello, buddy. I'll be back. So, I think his tongue might be broken. Of course, I've never seen a bird's tongue before. But see, like, is that normal? I don't know. I think he's crying. His body seems fine, like his wings are all good and everything. There's no bleeding. Well, there's a storm coming, so, and I'm no expert at birds, but I think these might be of assistance. Almost finished. And I left a hole for him to get out. But hopefully this will kind of shield him from the rain. Alright, say that can kind of go like here. I'm terrible at recording with my non-dominant hand. There we go. Hey, it's like a proper shelter. It's gonna be probably pretty good. Yep. Pretty darn good if I don't say so myself. Alright, Ferdinand, my dude. I'm gonna fill up your thing one more time. And you should be good to go. Ponds in the middle of summer do not smell good. Also, this is probably like the dirtiest water I could possibly give him. But I mean, hey, can't have everything you want in life. And I don't know, memorial water that's like cleaned with chlorine to wash my hands in. All right, my dude. I know you can't see really well, but that's your water. So do me a favor and get better. And don't end up like your friend over there. All right, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye, Freddy. Memorial water. Perfect for the washing of hands. Well, this is not looking good. Are you kidding me? I literally... You went and died on me. All that work for nothing. Well, I gotta give him a proper burial. Well, Ferdinand, the bird, it was nice knowing you on this July 30th in the year 2020 of our Lord. May you rest in peace, because this is a very peaceful spot. And may your feathers never wither. Rest in peace, buddy. So I'm like really sweaty because I just ended my workout. And I don't know how I feel about touching a bird that died like 30 minutes later. I mean, I know birds have bacteria, but, well, I guess it was an adventure all the same, so. I mean, at least I made him a nice place to rest eternally. Yay! And I guess if you're gonna, you know, kick the bucket, today is probably an appropriate day. Even the clouds are gonna be sad.